Hola amigos, bien o no, saludos desde Medellín. Hoy el tema un poco diferente. Hoy volvemos para algo un poco más básico para practicar y mirar si nosotros pueden decir algo con cosas, parece muy básico, pero también puede ser poco complicado. En este caso, una corta oración que contener muchos con los sonidos en inglés que hispanohablantes normalmente encontrar muy difícil. Vamos a, vamos a ver. So, hello from Medellin, good evening. A slight change to our topic today. Today we're going to go back to basics in a way. We're going to try a short sentence that includes most of the sounds that commonly Spanish speakers find most difficult in English. Now, this is an interesting exercise because this lets us go back and see how we've come in our practice. We're going to get a concentration of difficult sounds, so it's a nice way to see how well perhaps you can cope with this sentence. Let's see what you think. Here we go. The shy chef thought the vanilla jam was too thick, judging it worse than she'd imagined, but surprisingly, the zebra enjoyed it. There we go, yeah. Very good. I'll try that again. Have another go. The shy chef thought the vanilla jam was too thick, judging it worse than she'd imagined, but surprisingly, the zebra enjoyed it. So, what's that? 20 odd words thereabouts? Oh. Yes, thank you. He's found his car keys. There we go. So there we go. What do you think? About 20 odd words, lots of potentially tricky sounds, but it's a way to test how well our practice has been going. So think about that. Now and again, it's good to go back to basics. Pick something like this, quite concentrated with all those kind of tricky words that perhaps you found difficult in the past. In this case, I used our friendly AI, ChatGPT. I asked it, look, I need about 25 words using as many of these complex sounds as possible. This is the text I got, so if you have particular favourite words you don't like to say, give that kind of assistant a go. List out some of those words, say, look, can you give me a sentence that includes lots of these sounds? I'm sure you'll get some quite imaginative versions to try and see how your voice goes with it. It's quite an interesting thing to have a go at. It's a short sentence. Can you say that with good expression without falling over the sounds? How has your reading improved? Endless variety. So I encourage you to try that. But for now, from Medellin, while my neighbour continues to look for his car keys for the alarm, we'll say cheerio.